This Stiggy here with Frosty White HD and Lightspeed Rocks, who is also named as Jesse. So Jesse? No? Okay. So we're gonna have a tour of my world. Okay? Okay, so I made this. Made by me, no my head off. So over here I got God Apple. Got a mini roller coaster. I got a snow thing. Okay, it's only a kid's roller coaster. Okay, this is the roller coaster, guys. Go. Yeah, it's only a kid's one, so. Okay, that was it. That was the roller coaster. Oh, Jesse. Oh, it's Simon. Oh, his Xbox is so rubbish. This is the brewing room. So, look. The Mandy potion. Weakness. Poison. Yeah, more. This is my enchant room. This is one of my houses. This is another one of my house. And this is a great Steve statue. And this is Lee, I believe. And this is a hotel. There's a counter. Wait, where did it go? It doesn't stay here. So no. This is a hotel room. Yeah, it's exactly the same. And I'm just going, okay. So I just want to get on to the pixel art. So this is my Toad. This is my Pikachu. This is my Pokeball. So for the airplane. This is a middle finger. This is the Google Chrome. That is a pair of tits. And this is Stewie Griffin. Okay, that's what he looks like. So yeah, that's my spaceship. That's my tree house. That's the BBC. This is going to be a forum, a Roman forum. This is my Roman bath. My PvP and my Spleef arena. And that's a random person. This is my castle. Nothing in it though. And now that's my hot air balloons. And I'm just gonna look at it from a bird's eye view. I haven't captured all of it yet, but I'm gonna quickly. Which one is it? Okay. Okay. That is my world. Yeah, that's all I've got to say. And